Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Friday, July 17th. I wanted to take a look at Tesla here real quick prior to the event that they have at, I think, 2 o'clock. But anyway, most times what happens, Tesla runs up pre-announcement, and then after their announcement, it drops down pretty heavy. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But right now, Tesla's looking pretty good off this middle Bollinger Band here on the daily. I have the 30-day set right here. You can see trending to the upside, very nice. Pulled back down here, and it's pulling back up. And I'll show you where it's going. So let's get down to the 60-minute chart real quick, and I'm going to break this down a little bit more for you. Okay, let me change this to a 10-day so we can see it a little bit better. Actually, let's go 20. 20. There we are. Okay, so you can see here with a run up, there's this little gap right here. So this is the push off that middle Bollinger Band, looking really good from 264 area or 263 area, coming up to 278. So a good 15 move off the bottom here, and you can see the bottom relative strength index, and once it gets oversold, it sells off most times. Okay, so I mean overbought, and then it sells off most times. Okay, as we're looking right now, it's right around 80, and it's really pushing to this gap. Look for a spike to this 278.35. After that, there's a lower gap down here that you want to keep an eye on, which is going to be 267.08. Okay, so prior to this move to the upside, I mean, the news, we should have that sell-off during the event itself and maybe pull back down here. So definitely something to keep an eye on from a technical perspective with the relative strength index sitting at 80 on the 60-minute chart. It's going to need a break, but look for that one quick spike up to the 278.43 for this gap to get filled before she does pull back down again. As you can see, any gap does get filled. You had a gap here, it came down here, gap here, filled over here, and many more on this chart, but beautiful from 30 to 70, actually to 80 now in the relative strength index. Look for that sell-off, and you can make a few dollars, I think, and you can see the trend line right here. So it falls pretty much right in line to hold that middle Bollinger Band support on the 60-minute chart to come down and fill that gap. All right, everyone, new special that we have is $99 a month. Make sure you join us live chat. We discuss this stuff all day long, and as you can see, this one and many others have been lucrative trades. Have yourself a fantastic afternoon and weekend.